Hey guys, me and the wife here are on our way to the Downeast Toyota dealership. We're going to go look at a used vehicle. This video is going to have a few tips and tricks on doing your research and diligence before... Oh, there's some geese in the road. So this video is going to be about some tips and tricks on how to do your due diligence on purchasing a used vehicle so that you get the best value for your dollar. So stay tuned. It's kind of a bittersweet day because we bought this is a 2003 Toyota RAV4. We bought this vehicle just before my son was born. My wife was pregnant 8-9 months. She was pretty close. But I'd love to keep it. I'd love to maintain it, but it's got a bit of rust going on right now. It's got about 210,000 miles on it. And we need something that is going to be a little bit more reliable and a little bit better on gas. And so we're going to make the trip into the town today and negotiate. So negotiating price, doing your research, make sure that the used vehicle's not in an accident or been water damaged or how many owners it's had. It's all vitally important. And a little later on in the video, I'm going to show you where you can go to find out this information free of charge. There's a lot of places that will charge you, but there are places that you can get that same information free of charge. So there's no sense in paying for it if it's free. You just got to know where to look for it, and I will show you where. So this is the vehicle that we're looking at. It's a 2015 Toyota Corolla LE with 20,571 miles for $14,922. So the first thing I'd want to do is go to Kelley Blue Book and see what everybody else has been paying for this type of vehicle with these types of features. So I'll go through the actions real quick here. So we want to go through new and used car pricing. It's a used vehicle. Oh, here we go. It's a 2015 Toyota Corolla. It's an LE sedan, 4-door. Let's see, it had, where is it? 20,571 miles. Powertrain is correct. All of that stuff is correct. And it is a red car, so we'll choose the price type, and it is a buy from a dealer. And this particular car was actually a lease turn-in. So we're going to click on Get Used Car Price, and it pulls up the results. And this little piece right here is what I am interested in. This is the fair market range of what everybody's been paying for this type of vehicle with these types of features. So as you can see, from $12,311 to $15,520, the typical asking price for right around $14,102. Downeast Toyota wanted $14,922, which is reasonable, but there's always room to negotiate with a used vehicle, so that's what we did. So the second thing I wanted to do before we went to the dealership is check the VIN number. To do that, I would need the VIN number, which is right here. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. There are sites that will charge you for this information. Carfax would take $39.99 to get the car history to let you know if it's been in an accident or if it's been salvaged or if it's been in a flood or any of those things. So I would recommend using vehiclehistory.com, and I'll put the link in the description below so that you can use it as well if you are in the market for a used vehicle. So what we'll do is we'll put the VIN number in, Control C, oops, Control V, excuse me, We'll hit continue. And this website is completely free. You don't have to pay a dime to get the same information that some of these other sites will try to charge you. You want to be careful on some other sites. It can basically fool you or trick you into thinking that it's free. It'll say free VIN check, and then you go to do the free VIN check and it says, oh, there's an issue or two, click here, and you click there and then it asks for your credit card information. Nope, wrong. Won't do it. Search complete, continue. So it pulls up the information. Oh look, it was assembled in Canada. That's cool. So we'll continue. I'm in the state of Maine. And here's all the information that you need. So you scroll down. This is the entire history of the vehicle. There's no accidents on record. There's no tampering with the odometer. The sales record. There's that fair market value that we were talking about earlier. And there's no issues found. And it keeps right on going. See, flood damage, fire damage, hail damage, saltwater damage. I mean, there's just a whole bunch of stuff that you really want to check on. And there's a print button up here somewhere. I know that it's printable. Let me see if I can find it. I have to scroll all the way to the bottom for it. Ah, click here to print page. See that? So you click to print the page, and I'm not going to do it, but of course you can print. It's 13 pages long. If you have double-sided option on your printer, I would definitely use that. Save on paper. But I would go armed with this information. If there's any issues with the car or anything like that, you can use it to barter the price down. So that's it in a nutshell. That's exactly what we did. We looked up the Kelley Blue Book, and we also looked up the vehicle history by going to vehiclehistory.com and getting a free history report. And it's time to purchase the vehicle and bring it home. So we've already test drove this vehicle. This is a 2015 Toyota Corolla. It's got 20,000 miles on it. We originally came for another Toyota Corolla, but apparently they had sold that. And we actually got a really, really good deal. We talked with the manager of the whole dealership. I used to work here. My father works at the dealership. So we got a really, really good deal. We're just going out for lunch right now. And, you know, while the financing gets in order and whatnot, when we go back, we'll fill out the paperwork and take this puppy home. So, yeah.
Bob, I think I went the wrong direction.
What?
I think I went the wrong way.
Maybe we did. We might have to turn around. It's all good.
Where's Walmart?
That's Lowe's. Walmart is back that way. Anyway, we're going to try to find someplace to eat. Bye, old girl. Thanks for everything. Isn't that gorgeous? This week's YouTube creator recommendation is ScrapperDave. ScrapperDave is a Jedi master when it comes to scrapping. His channel is chock full of excellent content, ranging from dumpster diving to depopulating motherboards. All this in itself is impressive, but what really sealed the deal for ScrapperDave is his commitment to his fellow YouTubers. Thank you, ScrapperDave. It goes without saying that you have skills. Please support ScrapperDave's channel by clicking on the link below. And until the next video, adios.